Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we'll be talking about UTC time, how to get UTC time in Python programming language, make use of the time libraries in Python programming language. So UTC, I can say GM time is a function in time library. We can call that to get our UTC time. Not that UTC coordinated universal time. That was the full meaning. Is the primary time standard used worldwide. Is the same everywhere and does not change with daylight saving time or time zone. It's similar to this of local time, just that the hours will be differs a little bit. So let me comment this out. Let me print it out to get the UTC time or the GMT time in Python using the time library. It's just simple time dot gm time. Simple. We open and close bracket. So let's run this. You can see the structure that I provided seem like that of the local time. But what happens when I run the local time and compare both of them? You can see there's going to be a little bit of slight change. Okay, this one on top here is for our local time, and this is for the UTC or the GM time. You can see the year is the same, the month is the same, the the month is the same, the month is referring to is the same, the month date is the same, the hours seem to be a little bit different, the minutes, seconds, other things seem to be the same, but the hour seem to be a little bit different. And the GM time can be used for in a situation where I want to, no matter how I run this, anywhere I run this GM time, it's still going to be the same. It doesn't change. Local time tend to have a little bit more advantage over it. It's just that local time changes, but GMT doesn't change. I've not really found any use of this GM time. It might be of any use, but to me as of now, the use is of not much. So we can also get the values like how we did for that of local time. Like example, we want to get this 2025, we can get it by using indexing. Want to get 2025, we know that 2025 is in particular is in zero because this is zero, this is one. So let me get this 2025, which is in particular zero. So if I put zero, if I run it, I should get 2025 down here. I want to get this minute down here. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is in particular 4 is in index position 4. And I run this, I get my 50. Okay, 55 I've changed initially to 53 when I run this. 2 minutes have passed when I was recording this. So if I have to get this hour, which is going to be that of 3, so it's going to be that of 3. You can see there I'm going to get 15 down. Yeah, so that's basically how you can handle that of UTC time in Python programming language, make use of the time library in Python programming language. So I'll be happy to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.